So now talking about the food review thing. So I have stayed in Comfort Inn hotel. I will talk about that thing. One of my friends stayed in Fairfield hotel, and I will try to make a video with her so that she can provide her review about the food thing of her hotel. So the food was pretty good at Comfort Inn hotel, and they provide 3 meals per day. That includes your breakfast, lunch and dinner. And I have already made a video on the amenities that Comfort Inn hotel provide. You can check that video. I will provide the link in the I button also and in the description box also. So they provide both type of foods, vegetarian, non-vegetarian and halal. So what they do, they provide you for 3 days. They will provide you 3 cards. It will be like a menu card, where you can tick on the things that you want for your lunch, breakfast or dinner. You can see the clip that I am sharing with you. So this is how you need to do for your rest of the 3 days at your hotel. So the food was pretty good, and I will recommend you to eat French toast. I like them a lot. And if you want halal, then there is an option, and you need to tell them beforehand. You need to talk with them at counter only when they will provide you those menu cards, or you can call them from your room also. There will be a telephone in your room also. So this was pretty much about the Comfort Inn hotel. What I got for my dinner. Okay, so these are the 2 bowls. Okay, here I am having a burger. And what else? I just ordered a burger only. Oh, these are the French fries. It's great. And I have some sauce pouches also. Now that's it. Yes, I would also like to give the review of my chapati and the sabji. Those are still over here only. The thing is, the sabji was very good. छोले की सब्जी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी थी, but chapatis were not good. घर वाली बात तो आती नहीं है, सबसे पहली बात. सेकंड थिंग, जो चपाती थी ना, वो काइंड ऑफ जैसे हमारी नान होते ना, उस हिसाब की थी, जैसे खींचने वाली रबड़ सी टाइप की. सो प्योर आटे वाली रोटी नहीं थी.